In this video, we will demonstrate how to perform Part B of the Chemical Reactions Lab. You will need to obtain 100 milliliters of sodium bicarbonate solution in a graduated cylinder. Then remove your solution from Part A from the hot plate and add the sodium bicarbonate to a 400 milliliter beaker. You will then use your tongues to grasp the beaker containing the solution from Part A and add this to your sodium bicarbonate with stirring. You will see the formation of bubbles immediately, indicating a vigorous reaction. You will also see the formation of a blue precipitate in the bottom of your beaker. You should record the formation of both of these in your datasheet. Continue to stir until you no longer see bubbles coming off of this reaction. This may take a minute or two. Once you have completed this step, add a few milliliters of deionized water to your solution. This ensures that all of the solution from Part A has been added to Part B. Then you can place this solution on the hot plate. You will see that as soon as you start heating, little bubbles will start to form, and the solution will appear slightly more blue-green. Continue to heat gently for several minutes. This step sometimes takes up to 5 to 10 minutes. You will notice that as the solution continues to be heated, the solid will settle out at the bottom and start to become more green in color. Once the solution is more green and has settled out to the bottom, you can be finished heating. And then you can remove the solution from the hot plate and place it on the hood or bench top. Then, once it's cooled for a few minutes, you can place this beaker into an ice bath to cool completely. Now we are going to decant the liquid from the solution. Decanting means just pouring off. You want to make sure to pour carefully so that you don't get any precipitate in with your filtrate. If you notice precipitate going into your solution, just stop decanting and move on to the filtration step. You will see here that if you are careful, you will be able to decant almost all of the liquid into your Erlenmeyer flask and keep your solid in the beaker. You can then pour the filtrate down the sink. Fold a piece of filter paper several times into a funnel and then pour your remaining solution onto the filter paper. If you have a lot of solid left in your beaker, you can add a few mils of distilled water, swirl, and then add that to your filter paper as well. If after this step you still have solid remaining in your beaker, don't worry about it because we're going to take care of it in the next step. And your solution should look like this.